What's up guys, MB back with another cinematic tutorial, and today we've got a super clean kid's haircut. This is a crop top with a mid fade, so let's jump right in. First up, moisten up your canvas to make sectioning effortless. You want to make sure your sections by the parietal ridge are symmetrical on both sides. Clip away the top so it won't interfere with the fade process. With your preferred trimmer, create your baseline. Make sure to contour it to the client's head shape. And remember not to press down too harsh. Okay, now remove all the hair underneath. For a cleaner look, shave down all the stubble left behind. With your 1.5, begin debulking. Move up a full 1.5 inches and don't forget to flick out as you move towards the darker area. I now clip or overcome to clean up any dark area towards the parietal ridge. With your lever open, create a 1/2 inch guideline all around the head. Close up the lever and hit that same guideline halfway through. Your trimmer will help erase the baseline if it's still visible. You gradually want to open up the lever as you move up. Alright, with your half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Open up with the same guard and go up another 1/2 inch. Guys, don't press down on the scalp, you want to keep flicking just a tad bit. With your number 1 open, break the line within the dark and light area, right above the step you just finished. Finally, it's time to break the last visible line you're able to see. Open up that lever and use your corners to blur it out. Make sure you play with your lever, but be careful not to make new lines. Also, I really do suggest you switch up the guards if you need to. Detail is crucial on every haircut, so take the extra effort and perfect the cut. I recommend you working on both sides as you move step by step, but because of video purposes, I tend to do one side then the other. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my videos. I appreciate all the support, and if you're not yet subscribed, please make sure to click that little red button down below. Be sure to study the game if you're new. Feel free to scroll through my channel because there's plenty of gems within videos. If you're wondering where to get these translucent guards, this is the ice colorway available at MartyBlendz.com. Alright, now back to the cut. Spray down a bit of hairspray to keep the hair in place while you line up. When working on C-cups, be sure to use one side of your trimmer, then the opposite for the other. As for the top section of the cut, spray down the entire top of the hair. Since it is a crop, V-section and cut off anything dangling off to the sides. Make sure it is completely even and suited to the client's head. Point cutting will create some texture to make styling look unique. My go-tos for a messy crop top are matte clay and a diffuser. Using both will volumize and create a messy effect. Guys, here's the final look on today's cut. If you did enjoy this tutorial or learn anything from this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.